Hola, ¿cómo estás? It's me again, Legal Matters with Yan, and glad to see you here. This vlog is about unboxing. Recently, I bought a parcels. It's not much though, but let's see what's in this one. I forgot that I have this one. When I checked my closet this morning, I saw this, so I said, oh, right, I will unbox that. And I have two in this one and another one. I just bought this one recently, a very simple cell phone, and I'm gonna use this for, because I love you guys, I'm gonna, for my support to all the premieres out there. So, it's just addict lang, diba? Bibili pa talaga ng extra. Actually, I have already four mobile there, but it's really breaking hard because it's the two phones were quite old already. It's the iPhone 5 and iPhone 6. Mainly for the iPhone 5, it's really freaking me out. I feel like I just want to toss it in the bin and smack it hard. It's because of the version iPhone 5. It's been that, so it's outdated already. So that's the hard part in Apple. Like if you have an old version, it seems like they're gonna click it out and it's, this is time to use it, and then they're not supporting the operating system anymore and you kind of update it. But that's how Apple works. That's why they become rich. They are rich and they are rich. So and me, because I keep buying, I get four, and so just like that. Anyway, and by the way, guys, as you can see on my background here, I am in my little walk-in closet. Okay, let's go unbox this one first. I know what is this one though. This one came from Netherlands. Okay, so this is a stand phone, just like this. So this is the sample. This is an iPhone 10. See, you can see that. There's nothing special about it, but I don't know. No, it was buy one take one. So what?
So just like that. I think it's nice. It's a kind of plastic, but it's a thicker one. The size, as you can see, this one, the length of the side is quite about probably an inch, half an inch. And the side here, the dimension of the size of this thing here is quite thick. And the support in here is about an inch, the size, as well as in here.
I guess it's durable. Looks like sturdy. I bought this in the YouTube ads. I was watching about one video about a tripod, this one. I don't remember. And then I saw an ads and this one grabs my attention. So that's why I clicked those ads and it showed this one and the videos and the implementation, how the installation of this and how it works. So that really grabs my attention, and the price was quite a great deal. So, and the good one is that I know now why I bought it. It was the good one in it because it's foldable and you can just fold it and then put it in your bag. Having a a selfie on the table while you guys are eating in a restaurant, and to carry is not a problem at all. Am I doing a review about that? Well, I guess so. For now, I am giving it a plus. So let's go to the second one. This is this one from the Netherlands, and this one from San Bernardino, California. For those who are watching right now from San Bernardino, California, shout out to you guys. Subscribe down and follow me. All right?
So, go ahead and open this puppy.
This is a Vitality product. It's an oil essentials. And what this oil for? It's for your hair. To, that little spot you have on your hair that need to basically to add more hair in there. So I was just wishful and I saw this on the ads. I also ordered this one. Wrap well. I will give you an update for that. So the name of this one is this essential oil is for the hair, for your hair, NV. It said for Vitality extracts, therapeutic grade, all natural, 100% pure essential oil blend. And this bottle is about 30 ml. In a nutshell, you have to store it in a cool, balanced temperature in your house. So now we are getting older, and I noticed that I have a little spots somewhere here. Maybe because I keep using headbands. Because the part that I like on my face is my forehead. It's quite like, ano yun sa tawag nila na, ano ba yun? Like yung, because I have a quite visible forehead. And ano ba yun sa tawag nila? Parang, kung sa Bisaya pa, it's like hantakan. yeah, because it's like, it's very funny. It's like, nagsinaw ang agtang. Yeah, nagsinaw ang agtang. Yes, agtangon. So sometimes I put just headband like that. That's why I like to put on a bangs, because to cover up my agtang. So anyway, so this is how this bottle looks. So this Vitality is to help your hair grow, especially on those bald spot on your head. So hopefully this would work. It's a 100% organic natural oil. Let's open this little giveaways they give to us. This one, we have to open this para sa mga pang-support natin sa mga premier dyan na mga adik katulad ko. Kaya bumili ako ng isa pang phone para makasupport talaga. Kasi I was really having trouble of using my iPhone 5. Mura lang ito, guys. Medyo problema lang is hindi siya kasi Apple. Iba yung operating system niya. So hopefully magkaintindihan kami. Kasi I never use any other operating systems. So sana lang magkaintindihan nga kami nito. Ang pangalan nito ay Redmi 9. Nabili ko siya sa Tesco. Nung pumunta ako ng Tesco, nakita ko siya, sabi ko, I'll just gonna buy any kind of cell phone as long as it's connected to the internet and it gives the purpose. And I found this one. It was really cheap. I have an iPhone 5, iPhone 6, then this one, the iPhone 10, and then this one I'm using right now, which I'm filming, is the iPhone 12. And I need an extra phone so that I don't need to use my personal phone to watch the premieres on my YT. This phone is only for my personal use, while my iPhone 12 is for my YTC. Mga kaartihan ba? So that's why bumili ako nito nung nakita ko siya. And sabi ko, ito na lang. Basta yung mga mumurahin lang. So mag-unboxing daw tayo. Oh, it's nice. They give you extra case. Mamaya na natin ito buksan. Tingnan muna natin kung kompleto ba, kung may charger na USB cable. So, let's check. Double check. And the case, double check. Correct and pronto. And for the manual, I guess I have to read it because I'm not used to this kind of phone. So we will see. Go to the phone. Ganito siya, kapatid. Naka-sealed siya. Plastic na. Plastic, ate. Talaga, ha? So, kunin natin ang plastic kasi hindi yan magagamit, eh. Diba? Alisin na natin yung plastic sa buhay natin. And let's go attach this one. So, because mura lang dito, te. Pag bumagsak, naku, patay. Paano kung ibabalik ko, tapos bagsak na? Hindi na pwede, right? Hindi na siya pwedeng ibalik. So, kailangan, don't give me hard time. Just put it on. Pa-virgin pa siya, no? Ayaw pa pumasok. Ako, pa-virgin talaga. Now, it's really tight. Napaka-virgin niya talaga. Ayaw niya talagang pumasok. Ayan, pasok na. Sarap. Yan, alright? Yes. It looks nice hawakan. Kasi virgin pa siya. Ganyan talagang buhay pag virgin. Masarap talaga siyang hawakan. Tapos pag gamit na, need to toss out na lang, right? Ganon talaga. Pag gamit na, baala ka dyan. Ito nang mag-isa. Pero pag virgin pa talaga, kailangan mo pa talagang hawakan ng may ayos. You should hold it so gentle so you won't gonna drop it. May pa-case ka pang nalalaman. Ganyan talaga, right? It takes time to until kung magsawa ka na, baala ka dyan. Kumain ka na mag-isa mo. Ganon ba? May pahugot pa talaga. Ganon. So, let's go try it on. Now, the problem is how do you turn it on? Here in the Czech Republic, the plug for your cable or for your, electric supply, ganun din. Napaka-tight niya talaga. Ganyan talaga siya. Kailangan mo pa siyang push through para pumasok. So, charge muna natin siya, mga kapatid. Paano ba? Huwag ka nga mag-inarte dyan. Papasukin mo na ako. Hindi ka na nasanay eh. Ayan. Bago pa kasi. Kaya, nahihiya pa siya. Mag-charge nga ng konti. Ito din siya. Ayaw magpapasok. It has how many cameras? Pwede kang magluto dito. Dahil marami siyang lutuan sa likod. Now, I am now inside the system. And please subscribe on my YouTube channel. This is Legal Matters with Yan, and I hope to see you around. Guys, please share this video. Hit up and hit likes. And thank you for watching this video. And yeah, mabuhay kayong lahat. And sana ay magtagumpay pa ang lahat ng ating gusto sa buhay. So, ganun lang yun kadali. So, God bless you guys. Always be happy. Always be content about your life. Be optimistic and be happy. And see you guys. Bye. Bye for now. Legal Matters with Yen. Signed out.